tell us what's going on?
Well, the vultures are flying around us. I don't know what that means. The van's broke. Poor little Stan's got, I don't know, got some heartburn or some indigestion or something.
Okay, here is the noise that we have, which I think is on the top end. So we will get it checked out, see what happens.
Let me just mention something that's really kind of cute. You all might want to do this for the heck of it. You can go to YouTube and put in Stan the Van. This is hilarious. This is absolutely hilarious. I'll tell you the quick story. We had these listeners, I guess. I don't think they're existing customers. They were in Vermont on vacation, and they lost an engine in their Dodge ProMaster van. Now, this is the 3.6 engine that I tell folks do not run 20-weight oil in these engines. It is a bad thing. It is a no-no. You will eventually come and see me for a new Jasper engine. If you run 20-weight oils in your 3.6 motor, whether it be in a Dodge Challenger or whether it be in a Jeep Wrangler or a Town and Country minivan, believe me, when I say this, it's just you can't run 20-weight in those 3.6 motors. They will come apart. Now, with that being said, these folks, even though they listen to the radio show, I don't know what oil they had in it, but I guarantee it wasn't 0W30 Amsoil. Well, they lose the motor in Vermont, and after they get prices on putting the motor in this van in Vermont, they literally have it towed all the way to the Magic Mechanic. From Vermont.
Jeez.
Vermont, okay? Are you with me here? That's a long tow call. That's a long tow call, all right?
My gosh.
I think they had it shipped in on a truck. But anyway, they have put a whole entire production of everything that happened on YouTube and we're literally sending them pictures, and they're posting it on YouTube, the whole 9 yards about, where we're at with it, as far as installing
the whole journey.
But it is Stan the Van.
Stan the Van?
Yeah, that is their vehicle. It's Stan the Van. You can put that in on YouTube and pull up their whole experience that they're going through from the time they lost the motor to where we're at now with it. So it's pretty neat adventure. If you ain't got nothing better to do, what the heck, if you're on the internet anyway, put in YouTube and Stan the Van. It's pretty funny, but neat people, super nice people.
That's awesome. That is good. Stan the Van. Check it out. YouTube.com. A tow from Vermont all the way down to the Magic Mechanic shop here in Orlando.
So here we go. First time we're starting it up after $8,000 of engine going in it.
Don't give the thumbs up, honey.
Crazy noise. You guys got a customer. Alright everybody, the last time I videoed the engine, it was making a horrible sound. It's purring like a kitten right now. It sounds even quieter than when it was running normally, so who knows what was going on. That's where the oil filter is down there, the dipstick. As it says 5W20, we're never going to put that in there again. There'll be 0W30 in there from now on. Got it back from Larry Perry at the Magic Mechanic. Had to stop down the road just to use the restroom, and I want to open the hood up and video that. It is extremely quiet compared to what, even when it was running normally, it sounds better now. The cause of the failure was a valve seat failure, which meant that there's a little steel ring where the valve seats in number 2 cylinder that fell down into the cylinder, poked a hole in the piston, rattled around in there and tore up the cylinder and the piston. Compression was going into the crankcase, blowing oil out other places. It was a mess. That motor is on its way to be recycled by Jasper Motors, Jasper Engines, and it'll be in another van someday. But here it is running. We just paid the final bill on it. Total so far, not counting towing and all, a little over $8,800. And we have a brand new motor, plus the transmission was serviced and some other things they did while they had it up on the rack. So we're looking to put 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, who knows? Let's drive it till it dies again, and
Long time from now.
hopefully. So here it is, nice and quiet. Stan the van is back on the road.